Hello everyone, welcome to Quotes This Week, where I will take you through legal developments that took place in the week from August 17 to 23rd August 2020. In this case, Supreme Court upheld the Bihar government's order to transfer the probe in case related to the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput to CBI. A single bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy held that Bihar police had jurisdiction to register FIR with respect to suicide of Sushant Singh at the complaint of the actor's father and held the transfer to CBI valid. The court also directed Maharashtra Police to hand over the case files to CBI and to render necessary assistance. The Supreme Court on Tuesday reserved judgment on a bench of petitions challenging the July 6 directive of the University Grant Commission to universities to hold final semester exams by September 30. The bench reserved the judgment after hearing the parties for nearly 4 hours via video conferencing. On Tuesday, the bench heard Senior Advocate Arvind P. Dattar, Senior Advocate Jaideep Gupta, Senior Advocate K.V. Vishwanathan, and Advocate Generals for Odisha and West Bengal, Senior Advocate Meenakshi Arora for interveners, Advocate Alak Srivastav also. In this case, the Supreme Court has dismissed a plea seeking postponement of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test (NEET) and Joint Entrance Examination (JEE) scheduled to be held in September 2020. Justice Arun Mishra, presiding the bench, said that postponement of the exams will put the career of students in peril. Life should move on even in COVID-19 terms. Can we just stop exams? We should move on, Justice Arun Mishra said while dismissing the petition. In this, the Supreme Court has observed that strangers cannot be permitted to file an appeal under Section 96 of the Code of Civil Procedure unless he satisfies the court that he falls within the category of aggrieved person. They have to demonstrate that they are prejudicially or adversely affected by the decree in question, or any of their legal rights stands jeopardized, the bench observed. In this, the Supreme Court has held that an auction institution against Section 31 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 is not an action in rem but an action in personam and therefore arbitrable, referring to Mupadhati Pillai versus Krishna Swami Pillai, AIR 1960, the Apex Court bench observed that the expression any person in Section 31 does not include a third party, but is restricted to a party to the written instrument or any person who can bind such party. Pleas of unsoundness of mind under Section 84 of Indian Penal Code or mitigating circumstances like juvenility of age ordinarily ought to be raised during trial itself, the Supreme Court has observed. The bench also observed that in order to successfully claim defense of mental unsoundness under Section 84 of IPC, the accused must show by preponderance of probabilities that he or she suffered from a serious enough mental disease or infirmity which would affect the individual's ability to distinguish right from wrong. The next case in which Supreme Court has observed the protection under Section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 is available to a person who is put in possession pursuant to an agreement of lease in his favor, though no lease has been executed and registered. The bench observed it is fairly well settled that fraud has to be pleaded and proved. Moreover, so when a judgment and decree passed earlier by a competent court is questioned, it is necessary to plead alleged fraud by necessary particulars, and same has to be proved by cogent evidence. There cannot be any interference contrary to record, as the evidence on record discloses that fraud as pleaded was not established. In the absence of any necessary pleading, given particulars of fraud, we are of the view that no case is made out to interference with the well-reasoned judgment of the High Court. The Supreme Court has granted limited relief with respect to the registration of BS4 vehicles. There are still stated to be a large number of sales which have been made and uploaded on the eVahan portal. Even temporary registrations were made. Their registrations during lockdown period could not be made. Hence, we allow registration of such vehicles only which could not be registered during lockdown in the month of March 2020 and for no other reason, ordered the bench.